Hey guys, today I've got the Baseus magnetic USB to micro USB cable. It is a magnetic cable and it is also braided. Let me show you around the box. Alright, so with no further ado, let's unbox. This is the micro USB and this is the USB, and as you can see, this cable is braided. Instruction manuals and stuff. The magnet is pretty powerful, as you can see. Well, you need to align it first. Let's see how it goes with a device. Alright, so I've got a 10,000 milliamp power bank here and I've connected to 1 ampere port, and let's see how this works with a normal cable. I've got my tablet here and let's plug it in. Alright, so it is charging and we're getting 0.6 and 4.8 volt. Let's give it a time to see how this stables. 4.8 and 0.6 amps. Okay, we'll take that record and let's see how this works with the magnetic cable. Alright, let's find out. Charging device and 4.8, 4.82 and it will reach 6, I guess. 4.82, 0.59 amps. That's stable, I guess. Okay, so 0.61 it reached. Alright, so we take that record, and so as you can see, there's not much effect in the charging but only useful thing is it's magnetic. So here's the cable again. If you like this video, please put a thumbs up, share and subscribe. Thank you.